Welcome back everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Samirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So we are going to make out with this Duchess fabric with asymmetric skirt, gathered skirt is what we are going to use for it. So please stay tuned and please watch my video down to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also share my video to others for them to see, so that they too can see it and learn and watch. So let's dive in now. Cut out the upper part of the skirt that we are going to use. So this is the one that I've cut out. So I'll go ahead now to spread it like this. I'm going to fold it in 4 pieces. That is to cut the front and the back at once. And remember, it's asymmetric skirt that we are making. So I want you to stay tuned and watch this video down to the end and see every detail that we are going to use and cut this time. So let me fold it very well. So this is what I'm doing here now. So I want it to be like this, and then to take it back like this to have our zipper side of our skirt. Is what I'm doing here now. So this is it now. So I will go ahead now to trim out this side of it so that it will be equal. So after that, now we'll go ahead now to start with the measurement, starting with the length. So for the band, I'm going to subtract 2 inches for the band, so I get my length. My length that I'm having here is 13 inches. So that is my 13 inches. And then on the upper part, that's where we start our waist measurement. My waist measurement is 26. That is 6.5 inches on our tape, adding 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. Then coming to the down part of it, that will shape it out. So my hip first is 36. So that's my 36. Adding 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So that is for the hip. And then I will connect my measurement together. That is the waist to the hip. So I'll connect it like this. It's asymmetric skirts gathers that we are making with this Duchess fabric. And for our zipper that are added is 1.5 inches that are added for the zipper side, that will be at the zip side, 1.5 inches. And then you can see we have done with our measurement for the upper side, the waist and the hip, and we have also connected it. So I will go ahead now to cut out the side of it now. So please watch this video down to the end, and also subscribe to my channel and add your fabric so that you can cut out this style that we are making. It's a fine style, and that is why I choose it for us to cut it out for today, so that we both cut it out together. So that is what I'm doing here now. So share it for others to see also. It's very simple style, but it's lovely, very beautiful. So you can see the upper part and the down part of it now. So what we are going to do now, we will now cut out that asymmetric effect skirt now. So let's do that now. To cut out the asymmetric effect now, this is what I did now. So just join the front and the back together, and that is what I did here. That is to place it together like this. So now we want to take the length where we want it to start from. So I will be marking 5.5 inches on this side. This is the side I want it to give that effect asymmetric. So now we'll just take it from here now, using my ruler to rule it down like this. So I'll take it like this from the point that I marked 5.5 inches, and then to slant it to get that asymmetric effect that we need. So can you see what I'm doing here now? And I will also measure the other side of it for you to know what I have on it. So all this part is 10.5 inches that we have. So this part, the point here that we slant it out to get the asymmetric effect is 5.5 inches. So this is how we achieve it, and then I will go ahead now to cut it out like this. So this is how it will now form the asymmetric effect skirt that we are making. And then after this, we'll now take it to the machine to go and join the body parts, have our measurement. So this is it now. So now I will take my waist measurement and the hip measurement. So our hip measurement, first the waist is 26 inches. So this is our 26 inches. So we'll count the one that remain, 1 2 3 4. So we mark 2 inches on this side, and coming to this side 2 inches also. To the hip is 36 inches, and then we'll mark. So this is our 36 inches. What remains there is 1 2. So we are going to mark 1 inch on this side. So coming to this other side, 1 inches also, and then we'll connect it together like this. So on this line that we'll connect it is where we'll go and stitch now. So connect it like this. So that is it. So I'll go and stitch it like this and stitch and iron it out. So that is for the upper part now. So let's go and stitch it now. So I've gone to join the body now. So this is how it came out now. So I will go ahead now to start with the down part of it. That is for the gather, so that we'll gather it now. So let me bring out the fabric so that we'll gather the down part and complete our skirts. This is the one we are using to complete the skirts. So it's one yard and half, and it's more than half anyway. 1 yard and 26 inches that I'm going to use to gather it now. So let me measure it for you to see. So this is the 1 yard now, 36, and the remaining part is not up to 2 yards, but is 26 inches. So this is 26 inches. So I will go and gather it now to run a stitch on it like this, and then we'll come and draw out the thread and to get our skirt now. So let me do that. And as for the length, remember what we subtract out from our upper part is 13 inches. That is upper part. So what we measure, so I want it to be flowed. I want it to flow. So we have up to 33 inches here, so it will be flowing. So let me do that now to run a stitch on it. I'm going to run my stitch now. So I will gently draw the thread like this so that it will not cut on the way. So this is how to gather your gathers. When making your gathers, just gently be patient with it, because if it cuts, you will now go back again to go and gather it. So I don't want that to happen. So you just gather it, and you gather it up to what we need on that upper part that we join, so that the gathers will be enough. So this is how you do it. So can you see what I'm doing now? So you just gather it, and you can see the way the gather is coming out. So can you see how it is now? I'll be cutting the band now for the skirt. So this is what I have here now. So this I'm going to go and join it. This is the front side of it. So I'm going to join it on the front and also bring out the second one for the back. So this for the back also. I'll also join it like this. So this is for the band. So let me fix it on the skirt. Our skirt is almost ready now. It's for us now to join the band. So I will go and join the band now. Our romantic effect waistline is ready and is gathered also. So you can see how it came out very well, and this is how we achieve our asymmetric gathered skirt for today. So I hope you understand what we did here, and if you don't understand, please watch this video again, and please subscribe to my channel, watch this video down to the end, and also share it for others to see so that they too can see it and learn and watch. And please add your fabric also so that you can sew along with me like this. So thank you once more for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.